Welcome to Marinemax. My name is Keith Abel, and I work out of the Wakefield, Rhode Island location. Today I'm going to be taking you through the 210 Dauntless Boston Whaler 2018. This is Boston Whaler's 60th anniversary edition. This boat does come equipped with a bimini top or sun top. It is powered by a 200 Mercury Verado 4-stroke engine with a stainless steel prop. As we move forward onto the boat, we are greeted by a beautiful center console with plenty of room for your Raymarine GPS chart plotter fish finder, VHF radio, and Fusion stereo with 2 speakers. As we spin around, we see this beautiful Helm Seat that does flip-flop back and forth. You can sit forward or you can sit backwards. Behind the seat is some additional seating. This does pop up to provide you with additional seating with some very nice storage underneath, and also a ski pylon for your water sports and activities. As we move to the bow of the boat, there is a beautiful bow cushion with additional storage underneath and also a separate anchor well. This boat is also equipped with a live well underneath this cushion right here. And as we move forward, underneath the center console is a beautiful pump out head and plenty of additional storage. For more information with regards to the 210 Dauntless Boston Whaler 2018, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599 for additional information. Thank you, and see you on the water.